Dia. Okay, today you are using those ordinal numbers that we learned yesterday. Primero, segundo, tercero, cuarto, quinto, sexto, séptimo, octavo, noveno, décimo, right? Use those and figure out the answers to these. Make sure that you read my hints and parentheses. And then those extra words that maybe sometimes we forget are at the top, highlighted. So figure out what that would be. Our canción de hoy, yesterday we ended up changing it because it didn't work. So if you look at the slides, you'll see the more updated one. But today we are watching the video that didn't work yesterday. So, amiga amiga is decir, mi amiga, de Cuba. So watch that, give your opinion. And then, ¿cuál clase te gusta más? A mí me gusta más la clase de arte. O me gusta más la clase de química. ¿Qué es tu opinión? Y también, ¿cuáles son las opiniones de tu familia? Mamá, ¿cuál clase te gusta más? Inglés, etcétera, etcétera. Vamos a practicar con Kahoot. Por eso, haz clic en el link allí. Y un cheque de tarea. If you have questions about this, make sure that you, well, number one, make sure you watch the video because I go through all of the common, like, what? Questions there. And then if you have any questions that weren't answered in there, if you want to check your work, email me. We have one final listening activity. So you are going to hit play on this, fill that in, and then you are going to submit it. So, sorry, excuse me, I'm tired and I'm yawning. So in the middle of, no, I don't know what I'm saying, but when you are back in class, that's what I'm trying to think of. When you're back in class, make sure that you get that paper or that you've written it all down and turn that in because that is a grade we're going to be collecting that today. Okay, so a quick little activity. We did this yesterday. Just test yourself. If these were rows, right? So this is row one, first row, second row, third row, fourth row, fifth row, sixth row. Then if you had to ask a friend, if I were to say, en la primera fila es la tercera persona, you would look at the first row and then you would count down three people and you would say Rebecca. So just challenge yourself to say that. Have a friend or a family member challenge you and use those words. You can just hand them your ordinal number sheet and you should be able to fill in those blanks. So some more good practice. After that, we are going to have some rapid dating or speed dating, speed friend dating here. We're going to have some really, really quick conversations. So I want you to answer. I didn't need to do that. I want you to answer these questions for yourself. So, ¿estudia ciencias naturales, sí o no? Y después, ¿cómo es la clase de ciencias naturales? ¿Es interesante, aburrida, práctica, etcétera, etcétera? ¿Qué clase tienes quinta hora? Sorry, my face is in the way. So you're just going to go through those and answer those questions, right? So if you were to have a conversation, and when you go through the slides, it'll be less, I don't know why it's doing this weird, obnoxious, color changing thing. But anyway, go through those and answer for yourself. It's just some really good practice. After that, we are going to be playing this game. It's a really fun one. Ordinal number, it's called Honeycomb, Panal de Miel. So you are going to open that. It's in Schoology, so follow the link there. Open it, and then you can play. If you are at home and you're alone, you can still play it. You just have to kind of toggle between screens, and you won't care as much about filling in the board as you will about looking at those questions and answering them. This is also a really good thing to use for practice if you just need some extra practice. After that, if we have time, we're going to complete this little back and forth talk to an amigo and fill in your schedules, your own schedule, and then your partner's schedule. And that's it. That's all I have for today. Bueno, adiós. Hasta mañana.